In this SQL challenge, we're going to learn how to solve a medium difficulty problem called Meta Facebook accounts by Meta. This is not a difficult problem. The hard part is trying to figure out how to format the output correctly to return the proper ratio format. Now let's look at the problem below. The goal is to calculate the ratio of accounts closed on January 10th, 2020 using a table called FB account status. And we are given the FB account status table, which has 3 columns: account ID, date, which indicates the date of the account's activity, and status, which specifies the account status either open or closed. To solve this problem, all we need to do is to calculate the ratio of closed accounts divided by the total accounts on January 10th, 2020. To start, set up the SQL query to calculate the number of accounts that were closed on January 10th, 2020. Next, insert the SQL statement to return the total number of accounts on January 10th regardless of the account status. If we try to divide the two outputs, we are going to get a syntax error. To be able to divide the output from both SQL statement, we need to wrap the two SQL queries with a parentheses to convert them into as variables. But if we run the query, we are going to get a 0 in the output. That is because when we divide two integers together, the output is going to be an integer as well. To address this issue, we need to convert the output either as a float or decimal. Here, let's use the cast function to convert the output data type for the first query to a float and run the query again. And this time, we get 0.45 instead. Double check the answer and click Check Solution. If the answer is correct, the system will mark the solution as solved. That is everything I am going to cover in this tutorial. Hopefully, you guys find this video useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.